chip foot, Maury.
What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. It's actually afternoon here. Totally out of the blue vlog for this one. A couple updates. Drift car has now got a two-way diff in it, which is mad because it's exactly what we wanted. So cheers to the neighbour. Yeah, drift car's got a two-way diff in it now. We've got 3:7 ratio in it. I can actually hear music while I drive. Obviously fuel pump's probably what you're hearing, but that's all I'll hear, so that's sick. And we're going mopeding. It's a week to Matsuri. I just went to take the Fairlane to meet the boys, as I think 20 or 30 of us on going on mopeds for the night. I went to take the Fairlane and I have ethanol leaking on the floor. I could drive it to the shed, but obviously ethanol is not cheap, so I don't want to lose all my ethanol. So I'll have to take this on a Saturday and we'll see how that goes. But we're gonna go mopeding. It's a week from Matsuri. Not the best timing for everything. I've got to get 3 cars now ready for that. But we're going mopeding for the whole afternoon / night, morning, I don't know. Hopefully we don't get arrested for anything. It's probably gonna get loose. It might be completely tame, don't know. But let's see how that all goes. Alright, so we've met up at the shop, which is good. And now we're with Elliot. He forgot how to drive his own vehicle. We're in the Challenger. It's a bit of a challenge. So how many of us are in? There's 5 of us in here, and then
I can feel the car doing all this.
how many of us are there total? 15?
There's a lot, something like that. Yeah, that's me.
Well, anyway, this is us few. Majority of us. Well, every one of us in here has an AU except for Ryan here. Oh, there's a mad black one out there for sale.
Oh,
there's a mad like white one too, but not for sale. What did they?
Yeah,
Anyway, so I don't know where we're going, but all I know is mopeding, so that's what we're doing. Oh, flex it, G.
Oh, hectic. Oh,
I think you popped
Jono
the
would be
spring
proud.
out, mate. So we're in the middle of surface. We've done 2 laps. I have no idea why in the Challenger. And Sean is just fat lapping, and he knows the area and he knows where to go, and he's just fat lapping. Go on. Go on, give it a trot, mate. I don't even know if this is fat lapping or what this is. So I've got a bit of a lucky moped. It actually goes 59. Elliot's gets to 60, and Travis is complaining here. What's the go with yours?
I don't know, it's hesitating. It's
Might take it back.
Yeah, driver hesitation.
But
Mine's maxing out at 55.
I've got an idea to solve the problem. Once we burn a bit of fuel out of it, we'll go get a bottle of octane booster and top them all up just a smidge.
Just a spin.
If we put a whole bottle in there, it's gonna have no compression by the time we get back. So we're going out for a moped for Sean's birthday, and we've lost Sean. Why? Me and Elliot were busy drag racing at a 58 kilometers an hour down the 60 zone. There he is. We've seemed to have lost the peck. Alright, I'll follow you.
It's hard to ride with the GoPro.
No, it's alright. Yeah, the boys. Whoop. Hey, you Falcon! So we've taken Trav's one back because it's really, really slow. But from this we're getting some food. We're going into the night with these bad boys. Oh, big time! Time for some power upgrade. So, we got some octane boost. So we're definitely not putting heaps into it.
Hell's Angels. Not sort of Hell's Angels.
More pedo stinks is what we are for today. But we're gonna put a little bit in, so we don't obviously don't want to blow these up, otherwise we're gonna have to buy 11 mopeds. And no. We'll see how they go. So mine's reaching at about top speed of 58, 59. We'll see what happens. I put a little bit of castor oil in mine so we could get that E85 type smell. It's made it slower, so I'm gonna need this just to be normal again. I'm gonna put a little drip in.
The whole bottle?
Don't do the whole bottle, oh my god. She's gonna be ringing off her head. At least I haven't put 7-Eleven fuel into it.
Pretty fuel. Pretty full. Are we just doing like the shot work? How much are we putting in there?
Couple shots. Big knot. Cap.
Or just put it in.
Just pour it.
Put it right. Just guesstimate.
Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. That will do.
I'm going to be going fast with it right now.
Ring it on my head, Mike. Hey.
Mate, you should run the way. Charles still isn't here.
Great, we're gonna have to bleep that out. Thanks, Ron. Oh, boys, how does it go? Some octane booster in it.
Yeah, not bad.
It goes a lot better. I'm tempted to put more in, but it's probably dangerous. I don't know how this is even a legal thing to do. Like, we feel so rebellious, but we've hired them, we've paid, we all have licenses somehow.
Have you seen the grass?
Yeah, I definitely see the grass. Yeah, boy. Oh, this is actually so funny. Boys are doing little grassies. It's so funny. It's even the cutest little lines in the grass. The grass is fine, but there's little lines. It's the funniest thing. So we've got some fuel. Whole $3.81. Obviously had to put in the 98. Big power. These ones are fastest somehow. Elliott's, we've put a little bit extra octane boost. I hope the people we rented these aren't watching.
I just keep topping up octane boost. Every time we stop, I top it up.
Trav's like, thinking,
I will be running on straight.
Trav's like, I think it got slower. I'll top it up a bit more. We told the guy at the server we're part of a gang. He laughed. What the crap? Hey, we have been. What is the time?
9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. We have
riding for like 8 hours
we've been riding for 8 hours. My butt is sore. My leg is sore. Something else is sore.
The two of the mope. Yeah.
We're doing two the mope.
Two of the mope.
Wait, so we've ridden for what, 8 hours already?
Yeah.
So, you know that means we've driven 6.
And it's costing us. And we still got 15 hours left.
Trav, you know how we were like, who would drive to Sydney? Well, we've been driving for 8 hours. Actually, no, we wouldn't be in Sydney because we're not.
We'd probably be at Cops by now.
Yeah, we'd be probably in Newcastle.
We'd be just pulling into Newcastle.
With probably about 30,000 flies stuck to our faces.
And then we'd have another hour and a bit to get to Rowdy Hill.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, my butt is. We even encountered rain and we didn't stop. Didn't matter.
Taking these on the fucking F3. Wait, that's it. I want to buy a mass amount of Kimco AK550s. They are a 550cc moped. They reach 180 k's an hour.
Look, after driving these 50cc mopeds, they are fun. However, the bug has started for like a faster one. Anyway, we're gonna get cruising again. Gym football. Try football. Mate, you're gonna be behind that moped. Mate, let's even start.
I'll take it back pinging.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh jeez. Poor mopeds. So I've had another feed. Hungry Jacks come through the goods.
Hungry Jacks.
Now making our way over to the bike track. I don't think we're going to be jumping them, but either way, it's going to be fun. Apparently they're going to be jumping.
I will be.
What are you doing down there, mate?
I rode the moped to home, which is about a half an hour moped ride from the shop. So heading back, we're taking it back today. We got egged at one point, so we're gonna have a look at the cart of that. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a mad time. If you're ever wanting to do some mopeding with your friends, it's just seriously, there's only 11 of us, and oh my gosh, we had such a funny time. Like, it was amazing. So we've actually loaded up. Thanks, mate. Elliot, he's driving the next one. Just a quick, it's on the ute. The whole steering, so the steering wheel's pretty much straight. The steering wheel's turning right. So yeah, you got egged. So we got your number plate, mate. So when you find out and you get done, you have to pay for damages, and you're watching the channel, well, that's not going to be a good time for you. But anyway, now Nick gets us to cruise around in aircon and has a moped with him. John, you'll start, mate? Yeah. It's on! Oh geez, it's funny, this is day 2, we're all so sore, but anyway. Alright, down the spit after I ran out of fuel. The thing said I had 2 bars out of 4. I had no bars actually because I was out of fuel, but luckily Elliot's is on the back of the ute, and so we siphoned the fuel out of that. So we've come to the spit, as back in the day everyone used to cruise to the spit and park their cars. Well, we've done a bit differently. We've got the mopeds. Nick's pulling up to get that aesthetics. Yeah, boy. Got the crew. Got a bit of bystanders in the background. GB. Oh, we definitely didn't cut through the paddock. We definitely used the road. Anyway, that's all for this one. Peace out. Catch you to the next one. See you guys.